My major is information technology. I study programmer, database, network, and cyber security. After graduation, I can work as a software developer, web developer, database administrator on IT support. My duty include writing and testing code, managing and database, fixing technical usual and ensuring system security. I like my major because it give me Maria career opportunities, let me work with modern technology and allow me to solve real world problem.